I will never get tired of watching these adorable furballs in action. Let's jump right into the cutest cat compilation ever. First up, we have Mr. Whiskers showing off his best ninja moves. Don't blink or you'll miss it. And here's Luna, mastering the art of if I fits, I sits in a flower pot. Oh, look at Mittens trying to catch that laser pointer. Spoiler alert, the laser wins every time. Next we've got Socks, who thinks he's a dog, fetching a ball and everything. Who knew cats could be so talented? And there's Bella giving us the ultimate slow-motion yawn. Is it just me, or does that make you sleepy too? Finally, we can't forget about Shadow, the brave explorer, navigating the treacherous waters of the kitchen sink. Alright, that's it for today, folks. If you love this, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more feline fun. Catch you later, cat fans.